Hey guys, I'm at Kielder Water Birds of Prey Centre today, and I've been here many times, and this place has a really good birds of prey display. So let's go in and see what we can see. My name's Arthur, and this is my rolling vlog. I've been coming here many years, and what I like about this place is the guy that owns the place, Ray. He is completely passionate about his birds, and it shows in the display that he does. What's good about this place is that Ray has a lot of time for everyone, and he makes sure that everybody has a chance of having interaction with the various birds that he has here. You just don't see that in other birds of prey centres across the UK. So that interaction that you can have with the animals here, not only is it by holding the animals or maybe stroking them, but you can also get to feed them as well, and you just don't see that anywhere else. What I also like is the birds themselves. They look really happy and they're not in any distress. So let's just see the type of birds he has. So he has Harris hawks, the pale chanting goshawk, or my personal favourite, Saxon. And he is a crossbreed between a gerfalcon, which is the largest falcon in the world and the fastest falcon in level flight, and the peregrine falcon, which is the fastest living creature on the planet in a stoop dive. And this bird can reach 200 miles an hour. Now that is super fast. You're not going to say hello, Saxon? I've seen you many years. You're not going to say hello to your buddy Arthur? No?
Person with a young tawny owl. Now this particular tawny owl, we called him Tony, and little Tony here was actually bred here. Now, I took him away from his mum and dad when he was 3 days old. So obviously taking them away that young means your owls then become what we call imprinted. So the Tony here actually thinks that I'm his dad. But you think, well, no, that's not. No, but he is seriously, he thinks I'm his dad. And as I always say to people, if you wish to fly an owl or handle an owl, most importantly fly them, you've got to imprint them, you have to hand raise them. Now your tawny owl is the commonest of our 6 British species. So for the people that weren't in earlier, barn owl, tawny owl, little owl, long-eared owl, short-eared owl, and the biggest British owl, granted only found in Scotland, but that is the snowy owl. But the one that breaks the rule with the 6 British is actually the tawny owl. The tawny owl's got gorgeous dark eyes, but it is more nocturnal. Now the facial disc is now becoming very, very prominent, and remember that facial disc is their satellite dish. So all the sound again goes directly to that facial disc, which then goes directly to the ears. And again, ears at the side of their eyes. The left ear is a little bit higher, and it's actually a little bit bigger. So that gives all of the owls what is called asymmetrical hearing. Now when Tony lands on the glove, I don't know if you notice this, but when they land on the glove, see with the barn owl, I'm going to get out next. When they land on the glove, you've got to hand them the food. If you put the food on the glove for them, they'll never see it. Remember, a metre to nothing, they are virtually blind. Fantastic long-range vision it's making, because it's imprinted, is exactly the noise it would make if it wasn't with its parents in the wild. It would be, well done, it would be literally saying, Mum, Dad, feed me, please, can I have something to eat? Now, the owl itself at this age, which I think hearing, but very selective hearing. Whoa, there we go. Wonderful. And when you hand it the food, it actually closes, the owl will actually close her eyes, or its eyes. And remember, they'll close their eyes to protect their eyes. Lovely. lovely. Go up the hill.
Johnny,
Go up the hill now.
please, Johnny.
It's thinking about Anne. We call her Heather. Heather is about 12 weeks old, 3 months old, I think. And we bred one of the kestrels that we bred here this year. We bred 4. The others obviously went to other centres, and we've kept her back, obviously, for training. Now, again, just like the common buzzard, I took her away from her mum and dad a little bit earlier, but again, when I took her away from her mum and dad, remember, absolutely wild. From the fist, and then do this sort of thing here. Now, I know it's a female simply by the size of her. Now, the male kestrel, after the first year, would start to develop a beautiful bluey-grey head and a beautiful bluey-grey tail. But the females, remember, maintain this colour. They don't change at all. She weighs 6 ounces. That's all she weighs, 6 ounces. And the male that we did train before it went away, that was flying at 5.5 ounces. I know it doesn't sound a lot when you know you're only talking half an ounce, but that half an ounce is enough for the bird to fly and not to fly. And this one stand up very obviously what a lot of people know them for doing, of course, you know, is for hovering. So again, you'll see them hovering on the fields, next to the roadsides and motorways and so on. When you see them hover, this is just to try and explain to you how good their eyesight is. Quite often or not, what the kestrel would have caught could be insects, beetles and worms. That's how good their eyesight is when they're at a great height. But when the kestrel's in search of mice, or voles for that matter, every time a mouse runs around or scurries around, the mouse urinates constantly. It's weeing all the time. Now the urine trail of the mouse shows up to your kestrel in ultraviolet. So they follow that ultraviolet urine trail and then obviously pounce on the animal itself, or the mammal itself, providing it hasn't obviously gone underground. But remember, the kestrel is your falcon. Your hawk, and we've only got 2, which is your sparrowhawk and your goshawk in this country, they have short rounded wings. Now their wings are their shape is to make them fly through wooded areas like they didn't exist, to be honest with you. That young man there, come here, son, come here, quick as you can. Put your hand in there, whatever. Right, I want you to come down here, hopefully land on your hand. Are you ready? Shout, Heather.
Heather.
Oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now she's getting the tiniest pieces of chicken. And I think she's got her eyes on the wallaby there, to be honest with you. Well done! I do. But to her, she'll be thinking, what on earth's that? That's what she's thinking. The others, as you saw with the common buzzard there, right, that'll do it. She is ready to be in demonstration without this horrible thing on. But it is a necessary evil, I'll be perfectly honest with you. You do need them initially. Just so if they do mess you around, particularly in here, if they go and fly in with a bigger bird, you can imagine what will happen.
So I had a great time today. I certainly learned a lot. I'll just do it for today. So please subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and give me a thumbs up. But for now, it's time for me to roll into my next adventure.